Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can increase the speed of your video or decrease the speed of your video into Adobe Rush. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Adobe Rush. So as you can see, I have already opened the Adobe Rush. And after that, simply we need to insert a video. So I'm going to click on the plus icon and let's click on the upload media. You have media. So we have to select the video, that which video we want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one or this one, whatever you want. For example, I want this one. So I'm going to select this. Let's click on the 8, and after clicking on the 8, as you can see, we have to cut this one. So let's cut this, and in the sidebar section here you will be able to see the speed option. So we have to click on the speed option. The shortcut key of the speed option is command 4, so we have to press the command 4. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has the range. So we have to select the video range, that from which range you want to increase the speed. So I'm going to make it by default as it is. And after that, so as you can see, has the range speed. So we have to increase the speed from here. This is the clip duration. So let's see, and now I'm going to increase the speed. Let's keep this on 180. So as you can see, the video duration was 58 seconds, which is now 31 seconds. We have increased the speed. If you want to decrease the speed, make it slower, you can also do that. As you can see now, the video duration was 58 seconds. Now it's 1 minute and 38 seconds. So as you can see, let's play the video and how does it works. So as you can see, now it's working slower. So I'm going to increase the video speed again. So let's keep this on 150, and now let's play this again. So as you can see, in this way you can increase or decrease speed of your video in Adobe Rush. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.